the new Umber and Ink leather links from Apple. They're $99 and available for all Apple Watch generations and sizes. Today I'm showing you how they look on 3 stainless steel watches and silver aluminum in as many angles as possible, so you see if they work for you or not. Keep in mind Series 8 has the same design as Series 7 from last year. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's open them. Umber's this season's brown. Apple used to make saddle brown every year, but these days, they seem to change it up. This time it's darker, but with a bit of a brick undertone. I love how leather catches light softly and shows its light grain. This seems more matte in texture, rather than lustrous. I like it the most with a silver Apple Watch. Here it is with gold. Space black. And silver aluminum. I like it the most with a silver Apple Watch. Next is ink. Here it is next to last year's dark cherry. Like midnight, from far away it's so dark it looks black, but with a violet hue. Juxtaposing cool and warm, does complement the gold Apple Watch beautifully. Space black. And silver aluminum. Which one did you like the most? If you already have any of these, add your thoughts in the comments. These leather links should look good with casual and semi-formal outfits. Check out my styling videos for help with that. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.